Well, I can't tell you who gave witnesses to the ICC, okay? But I can tell you what Mr. Trillanes himself said. I mean, I came here with
Yes.
a few articles here. I mean, back in September of 2025, we had Jesus Crispin Remulla, when he was then the Secretary of Justice, I think, saying that the country has no direct relationship with the ICC, which is why Trillanes became a bridge between its government and the responsibility to protect witnesses. Then, I think in October, he also said that Trillanes remains in coordination with the ICC to submit evidence and assist in locating witnesses for the case. That's Trillanes himself. And as of today, Remulla, once again, now the Ombudsman, comes back and he said, the former Senator Antonio Trillanes, who introduced him to 2 ICC personnel, and they discussed the protection for witnesses in the ICC case that was filed against the former president, Rodrigo Duterte. Now, there's no secret about Trillanes' distaste, if I can put it that way, for the former president. He's been involved in this case right from the start. He was the person who refused to sign the Gordon report. He was the person who eagerly signed the Quadcom report. He's the person who, when Attorney Sabio died, and he withdrew his support for the communication that he filed right back at the beginning, then along came Trillanes himself, along with another attorney, Gary Alejano, and they filed a communication with the court. So he's always been behind the scenes, this individual.
What does that mean to you?
Well, it means that if he's close to the president himself, then perhaps there is some substance to the allegations that have been made.
And is that a problem also, the statement by the Ombudsman saying that he admitted that he met with the ICC prosecutors?
Well, it depends what witnesses. If he has been supplying witnesses, which what he claims to have been doing, it depends what witnesses he has been supplying.
Essentially, he said that we need to protect the security of the witnesses as well. The
Correct.
state.
Well, yes, witnesses should be protected, yes. But once again,
Do you see anything wrong with that?
Well, with the protection of witnesses, well, put it this way, it depends what the framework is and how the Filipino government can do that when it's not got an agreement with the courts at the present moment in time. I mean, there could be agreement. If you remember, the deputy prosecutor gave an interview to Rappler on Friday, and I even remember the timestamp. It was somewhere around 18 minutes and 30. He was saying that the OTP, the Office of the Prosecutor, can conclude private agreements with private individuals and also with NGOs and with governments, obviously. That's under Article 54.3d of the Rome Statute. So anything's possible. I don't know. I can seek further clarification. I'm currently contemplating whether I ought to do that.
Clarification on before the ICC, you can do that?
Well, Trillanes has said so much in the press, then maybe, yes, I will be seeking clarification of what really he was doing.
Before the pre-trial chamber, we can do that?
Well, I can seek disclosure. I can petition the Office of the Prosecutor. I can ask for the disclosure of documentation. They can refuse. And if they refuse to give me it because they believe that I'm on a fishing trip as opposed to seeking it for some legitimate purpose, and I do have a legitimate purpose in mind, but I'm not going to disclose it to you, then I can go before the pre-trial chamber, before now the trial chamber, should we need to, if the case gets confirmed.
All right. So, but essentially we can say that that's one of the basis for saying that this is a politically motivated case.
Well, he says
It's
it himself.
clearly, yeah.
He says it himself. 2 factors. First of all, Trillanes, a known enemy of Duterte, admitting himself that he was bringing witnesses to the ICC.